did not do it. We are going to demonstrate some labs and broaden your knowledge about water.
Woo! Man, I'm thirsty.
What?
What are you doing? Soda's not good for you. Then what is? Water!
Yes.
What is it?
H2O.
Abby, do you know what water is? Do you know what water is?
Yes.
You know what water is? Dad, do you know what water is?
What?
Do you know what water is?
H2O.
Do you know what water is?
Water is good for you. As you all know, water is considered to be the universal solvent. Water is polar covalent and is capable of dissolving a variety of different substances.
Water has 3 states. It can be in a liquid, solid, or gaseous form. Here, Adrianna, let me show you. I'm going to put this glass of water in the freezer and I can come back and show you that it will be changing the state of matter.
What if I don't want it to be a solid? Let's change it back.
Okay, here we have a pot on the stove and our cup of ice. We are going to put the ice in the pot. Right now the ice is below its melting point at 0 degrees Celsius. If we heat it long enough, we can get it to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. By doing this, we can turn it into a gas.
Oh wow, that is cool.
There's this thing called heat of fusion. Heat of fusion is changing the state of matter without changing the temperature. Takes exactly 6.008 kilojoules per mole of energy. This is only one way that you can change the state of matter. Let's take a look at surface tension.
Surface tension is the elastic tendency of liquids, which makes it acquire the least surface area possible. Water has a high surface tension because water molecules are strongly attached to each other. Let's show her. I'm going to take some pepper and put it into the glass of water. Now I'm going to put some soap on my finger, like so. And when I touch the surface of the water, the pepper will disperse to the side of the glass. Let me show you. Ta-da!
Wow, that is amazing!
Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture containing the solid particles that are sufficiently large for sedimentation.
Are they now?
A colloid is a homogeneous mixture in which the dispersed particles do not settle down. Settle out.
In motion is a random motion of particles suspended in a fluid resulting from their collision with the quick atoms and molecules in the gas or liquid.
Now we're going to move on to solutions. For this lab, you're going to need canola oil, water, and salt. We're going to put the salt in both the canola oil and the water. Then stir it in.
That's the water.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the canola oil. As you can see, the salt's collecting at the bottom, whereas this one is pretty much disappearing.
When you stir the salt in the water, it dissolves. But I have to stir it for long enough. And then when you stir it in the canola oil, the salt doesn't dissolve. It's still there. Water of hydration.